As the world gears up to celebrate the Pride Month in June, one might wonder what is it and why do we celebrate it? Since there's still a lot of backwardness when it comes to the Pride. So, what is the Pride Month? Every year in June, the world celebrates Pride Month dedicated to the LGBTQ community and their rights to live a dignified life. Pride is about people coming together to show love and celebrate how far gay rights have come and how much we are still left to achieve. Pride Month is about equality, teaching acceptance, education in the Pride history, and above all, it is about love. During this month, we educate others and ourselves about how damaging homophobia is and why we need to get rid of it. It is about being proud of who you are, no matter who you love. So do your part and share the video. Now, why do we celebrate Pride Month? The catalyst for Pride is actually a riot, the 1969 Stonewall riots. On June 28, 1969, the Stonewall uprising took place in New York, USA. At the time, the New York police would frequently raid queer bars and harass the queer community. Back then, the American Constitution also had laws banning homosexuality. One of the most popular gay bars, the Greenwich Village Stonewall Inn, was raided frequently. However, on that particular day in June, all hell broke loose when the queer community fought back and protested hard for several days. This changed the world forever, for the better of course. The following year, the first official Pride Parade was carried out on the anniversary of the Stonewall riots, and the tradition has continued till date. So let's talk about the Global Pride Day 2021. Just like every year, Global Pride Day will be celebrated on June 28. There are usually colorful parades, concerts and marches all across the world. However, since the COVID-19 pandemic is still hovering around, maybe we will see a lot of online celebrations this year. From 1969 until now, LGBTQ folks and their supporters have been fighting hard to give the community the right to marry, the right to adopt children, to start families, to fight discrimination, hate speech and hate crimes, and to simply allow queer folks to exist. While we acknowledge the progress we have made, we also need to be realistic and remember that we still have a long way to go. Spread the word, educate yourself and others, and definitely don't ask questions like,
"Why are you gay?"
Hoping that the world will soon accept love and lovers without discrimination, we wish you all a very happy Pride Month.